MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Armani Exchange Gents stainless steel bracelet watch, the black version, also known as the Hampton watch. I'll go ahead and show you the box now. This is just a normal box, it's not the actual box, it's just like a plain packaging box. So your Armani Exchange sign, A with the dash and the X, pretty plain. The box is a bit dirty and scratched, that's no problem because it's just a box. The actual one that I'm on about is this one. So you got some sort of booklet there, and you got the actual thing. So let me just take this out. Okay, nothing else in the box. Throw that away. So I actually got this on offer for a good price, so it's decent. Armani Exchange booklet, very nice. So this is very nice, I like this. Feels very good in the hand as well because that's matte, very soft. Got some authentication code in the bottom, I guess. Product packaging was made in China, and then it's hinged, as you can see, so very high quality. I got this from H.Samuel for about just over 100, so very good price because they're normally 170 quid, so very decent price. I'm gonna go ahead and open this now. You ready? Bam! So this is the black version, very nice, as you can see, and it's like a new design where it's all see-through. I hope there's a screen protector on there because that does look dirty as fuck or something. Yeah, go ahead and take this out. You got this cushion here. Very nice. That's how you know it's not been used, it's new. It's got all this packaging still on it, so I'm guessing there must be a screen protector on here somewhere. But yeah, I'm going to take this off the cushion, and inside of here you got authentication code thing. There you go, it's curled up and stuff. Product authentication, that's all it is, and then you got the code there which you put on online, so if anybody, you can check if it's authentic or not for me, which obviously it is, unless H.Samuel is doing fraud. I doubt it. So yeah, this is the watch itself. There's some sort of gold right in there which says Armani Exchange. Actually we can't see it on the camera, I'll just show you though. It's because of the screen protector or whatever's on there. I think there is a screen protector on here. Go and try. It usually is, and it looks too dirty to say. There could be, there might not be. It feels like there might be, but I don't want to scratch it. Like there's nothing there to say that there is one. I don't know, but yeah, we'll have a look at the watch. So there's no numbers on it. You just got the basic 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. You gotta know what it is basically. So it's this way up. So you got Armani Exchange signed there in gold, and the watch thing is gold itself. That's really nice. You got the see-through look to it. There's a stick at the back as well, guys. Oh, very nice. Whoa. Okay, and then you can adjust the time with this by pulling it out like in a normal watch, and that's really nice. Look at that. I wish I could show you better. There you go. Got the Armani Exchange logo on the actual thing with the half thingy. So you adjust the time like this, push it back in when you're done, and you got minutes there, as you can see, but you're not going to be able to read that because it's very tiny. You can give an estimate, I guess. Got this nice texture here, like a square bodied texture. That's pretty cool as well, I like that. Let's have a look here. You got two-tone color scheme going on here. It's like a gunmetal grey with a full-on dark black. I really like that. There's another version of this watch. It's a silver one, and that's sold out within 10 minutes, guys. I couldn't get a chance to get one. It's very nice, guys. Honestly, it's one of the best color schemes I've ever seen in my life. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Oh shit, that's matte, guys. How nice is that? Let me take this off now. Wow, oh, look at that, guys. Looks so nice. One Exchange. Hope this fits me. It looks a bit big, so I'm guessing it won't. I'm gonna have to get some cloths taken out. So let's go ahead and put it on. There you go. So yeah, it's too big, way too big, as you can see. I can fit a full 2 fingers in there, maybe 3 fingers, full fingers. All my fingers can fit in there, so definitely need some clasps taken out. So I'll go ahead and do that later. When go to them, hopefully they should do it free of charge, since it is a product of theirs, and otherwise it's about £8 to get it done, so it's not a big issue. It's a bit of a scratch there, to show you that. A bit of a scratch there, it's not a big deal, but it is brand new, so it shouldn't be there, but oh well. Let's just have a look around the rest of the watch. Nope, just that one scratch, that's no problem. And yeah, we'll have a look at the nice watch. Look at that, how nice does that look, guys? Apart from my hairy arms, and I've got it upside down, I think. But yeah, have a look at this watch, guys, and check out my rest of my videos. You will enjoy them. I'm doing some more watch reviews too. This one isn't sponsored, the next one isn't sponsored either, but if you're watching and you're a watch shop or something, please sponsor me, because I do like stuff like this. Like the perfume stuff I did, a lot of them were sponsored after a while, so if I can get watch sponsors, that'll be very nice, and you can see cool watches soon. I'll go ahead and open this and show you the back quickly, and then we'll bid farewell. So Armani Exchange stainless steel S18, I don't even know what that is, certified, and we've got the sticker here, and that's about it. So yeah, alright guys, this is a generic book, but it is water resistant. It's not waterproof, but it is water resistant up to a certain amount, so you can, if you get it wet a bit, it's not going to be a problem, and stuff like that. And the battery is actually cased inside of the middle part there, which you actually can't see, which is very clever. I don't know how they done it, but they done it, and very nice. I like it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Oh, with Armani Exchange phones. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.